The website The World Counts is littered with time clocks counting down to when our viable resources will perish. This includes the 26 years until the end of our seafood crop, the remaining 32% of the planet's natural forest, and notably the time until Earth depletes its food supply. Currently, the clock grants the human race 28 years until our planet's food supply is gone, which calculates to the year 2050. That gives us just under 3 decades to showcase how essential the agriculture industry is to future generations and reform the national and international food and resource guidelines. Both of these necessities require the increase of agriculture education in all schools in the United States as well as the world. Within the next 10 years, I see our industry going one of two ways. One, our amazing agriculture education program in the U.S. grows exponentially to where children in all settings and areas understand the ag industry. This boost in education leads to a society where our farmers are thanked for the work they do and are properly advocated for in government. Ag careers are encouraged by the media and are not frowned upon or mocked. A society where agriculture is a forefront topic in politics and the food crisis is a concern that is planned for. Proper legislation and reform are put into place and practiced nationally and worldwide to prevent catastrophe. Or two, agriculture education is labeled as less important than other subjects and is pushed to the background. Kids are not introduced to topics such as animal or meat production and truly believe that chocolate milk comes from brown cows. Farmers are disgraced by the media, leading to a world with a lack of farmland, farmers, and food. The scarcity of fresh produce, meat, and other resources sends prices skyrocketing, and lower class families are unable to feed themselves. 2050 rolls around and the world is thrown into a frenzy when our food supply is depleted. To prevent disaster, our future generations need to be educated properly about the agriculture industry. Too many rumors plague agriculture, especially farming, that prevent growth in our sector. Showing our nation's children how the agriculture industry is essential to society will spark a match in a multitude of children's hearts, as it did with mine. We need to show how agriculture does not just mean farming. It means diesel mechanics, researchers, truck drivers, educators, engineers, veterinarians, and so many more careers since agriculture is universal. We need to stop the unjustified prejudice that hides behind our agriculture industry in order for it to grow and strengthen.